Here at Group Llandrillo Menai, we've had a fantastic investment developed with Horizon, but now Babcocks are a key partner with us here in Llangefni, with the latest equipment and the latest skills being developed. We're also opening a £13 million replica centre in Rhyl, with RWE Renewables being our anchor company there, which really shows that we're working closely with employers and listening to what employers really need as far as skills are concerned.
The recruitment of apprentices to the organisation is hugely important. As the offshore wind sector grows and grows, we need more high quality people coming up through the ranks. So bringing those people in as apprentices allows us to grow and nurture them and have high quality calibre candidates working in our offshore wind industry.
We selected Group Llandrillo Menai because of the high quality facilities and their experiences in delivering the kind of course that we need for the wind industry. The relationship is incredibly important. In fact, we've actually just worked collaboratively to review the course content and make sure that it's still relevant for a very rapidly changing industry. Thanks to the existing relationship with Group Llandrillo Menai that we already have, we've developed a new training programme for our existing technicians to help further develop their careers.
The Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre is really pleased to be working across North Wales with key universities and colleges. The main reason we're engaging with the universities and colleges is to really drive the skills within the sector and really look at how we bridge the skills gaps for the industry across North Wales. The colleges and universities of North Wales really help AMRC in driving our business goals in terms of getting real skills into young people and really enabling young people to see what is the future within advanced technology and advanced manufacturing.
Here at Coleg Cambria, we train right across North Wales in terms of school links, summer schools, apprenticeships, part-time, full-time courses and higher education courses. We train mainly in the areas of construction, manufacturing, engineering, digital skills and IT skills, and renewables. Manufacturing, we work with many employers, including benchmark employers like Airbus, Tata Steel, Convatec, Ipsen, covering the full range of training. So we kind of covered everything here in terms of engineering, construction, digital in Coleg Cambria, and we try and service the needs of all in terms of their training needs and hopefully developing their futures.
The world needs to decarbonise and every business is going to have to do this with new legislation that's coming up. So we designed this course around all the things that a business will need to decarbonise in the future legislation. It's fully funded by the Welsh Government, so it won't cost you anything. All you need to do is send one of your employees 1 day a week to the university. A lot of the modules are work-based learning, and what this means is we'll do an audit of your current business and then a feasibility study of what you can do, perhaps to improve the current situation that you're in.
The degree apprenticeship at Wrexham Glyndŵr University is helping me because it helps me understand. So I'm doing the low carbon energy sustainability degree. It is helping me and my employer understand the importance of current energy reduction, sustainability, sort of the way the world's going at the moment and how quickly these changes will come to businesses in the near future. Having me on this course is helping my employer understand the benefits and obviously the way the world's changing, the rules and the regulations that are coming to businesses very soon.
I work at the Nuclear Futures Institute here at Bangor University. We've been going about 5 years and we've built great facilities for nuclear materials research. We also can do reactor design and things like that. We work with a number of industrial partners such as Westinghouse, Rolls-Royce and Infusion Energy, the UK AEA and Tokamak Energy. We are very keen on being industrially relevant, so we do a lot of work that will directly support the nuclear industry and new developments so that we can decarbonise industry, for instance, and generate low carbon energy in the future. We've also been developing new training courses. We've recently launched a general engineering programme to support skills development in the region, which will hope drive net zero and things like that.
So we're here at EMSPAC on Anglesey, and we are a science park based here in North Wales. We have a team that works in the low carbon sector, and we're supporting businesses from the large companies all the way through to the small companies who want to work in that low carbon sector. Come to North Wales, there's so many opportunities here.